Hello, I'm at the property right now. This property is done. It's just a little minor touch up, and as soon as I approve of an applicant, I'm gonna come back and finish it. So I'm just gonna leave this property as is right now and go to the next project. The rent is $15.50, so you need $46.50 just to move in. All right, I'm gonna show you around. Okay, that's how the property looks. Got all my stuff right there. See, I touch up the door, and the door needs to be finished. Okay. And the kitchen, the countertop, and that everything is done, as you can see. Now we're going to the back room. There's one bedroom right here. As you can see, there's a back door out. And right here. Let's go upstairs and check it out. Oh yeah. See, my window just cracked. All of a sudden my window just cracked because I got no heater in here. Okay, there's a double layer, but it's cracked from the inside. Never had that problem before, but I heard of it, that when it's too cold, the window will crack. I heard of it, but never seen it with my own eyes. Here's my bathroom. Okay, all the vanity was messed up, had to replace it. And there's a closet right there also. Here is this room. As you can see, the window cracked because of the cold. Actually, it's shattered. This is a double layer window, so there's another layer out here, but the inside layer is already broken. See? Just busted out because of the coldness, because I have no heat in this house. Let me see. Turn off the bathroom light. This is a walk-in closet. Okay. And we got it over here. This room. So that's it. So that's it, and the rent is now going to be $15.50. So that's it. The rent's going to be $15.50. So I'm sorry that I didn't show you the process of putting this back together. Alright. If you like my video, please subscribe. Appreciate it. Thanks.